All right, here's your NSCAS Part 5 review. The reading passage is the world's newest country. It has a map of Africa right here. And then here you have your questions and your answer. Your place to put your answer right below. It's about the author's purpose. Figurative language, choose 2. So make sure you choose 2 of them. Here you have a part A and a part B. Go back to the passage if you need to for the main idea and then what detail supports that main idea. So you will have a part A and a part B. And question 5 and question 6. Now this one you need to look at and be careful because you will be answering for the United States, for both countries, and for South Sudan. We're going to compare and contrast South Sudan and the United States, and then there will be some that will be for both. And the way you will do this is in a long answer text. You will write United States and then put which letters will go behind it. Then you will write both countries and put which letter or letters match both countries. And then you will write South Sudan and put which letter or letters fit only South Sudan. If you don't understand this, please come and talk to me. We have question 7. What are mock battles? Go back to the text if you need help. And then question 8. What is the cause and effect relationship supported by the text? Read through each one. Which one is the cause and effect relationship supported by this text? And here's where you will put your answer. Take your time and do your best.